Hey everyone! If you've ever wanted to make sushi at home, the first question is, where do you actually get sushi-grade fish? Let's talk about it. Sushi-grade fish is fish that's been frozen to specific temperatures to kill parasites, making it safe to eat raw. You can find it in a few places. First, Japanese or Asian supermarkets. These are the go-to spots. Stores like Mitsuwa or H-Mart often have a dedicated frozen section labeled sashimi or sushi grade. You'll find tuna, salmon, and sometimes yellowtail ready for slicing. Second, general grocery stores. Many larger chains now carry sushi-grade frozen fish in the seafood section. Look for vacuum-sealed packages labeled sushi or sashimi grade. Even if you don't have a specialty market nearby, check places like Whole Foods or high-end local grocers. Third, local fish markets. Some fishmongers sell sushi-grade seafood. Always ask if the fish is safe for raw consumption. So next time you're craving homemade sushi, check these spots. Sushi-grade fish is more accessible than you think. Just make sure it's labeled safe for raw use. Happy rolling!